Okay, 2011 Jun C3. B part 1 is this proof. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put brackets around it because it's more than one term. If you times out the top bracket, you get 1 plus sine theta minus sine theta minus sine squared theta over 1 minus cos theta plus cos theta minus cos squared. So the top becomes 1 minus sine squared, and the bottom becomes 1 minus cos squared. And I'm going to be using the formula sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So 1 minus cos squared on the bottom is sine squared, and on the top 1 minus sine squared is cos squared, and cos over sine is cot, so you've got cot squared, which is the right hand side. Part 2 of that question is a hence, so that matches up perfectly. So you're going to put cot squared here, so cot squared equals cot plus 2. So cot squared equals cot plus 2, and I'm between minus pi and pi. It's quadratic, so put everything on one side. So cot squared minus cot minus 2 equals 0. That factorizes nicely, so you've got cot minus 2, cot add 1. You can use the formula if you prefer. Cot equals 2, so turn it upside down, so tan is a half. Over here, cot equals minus 1, turn it upside down, so tan is also minus 1. Principal angle here, inverse tan a half is 0.4636, and on this side, principal angle inverse tan 1 is pi over 4. Using your cast diagram, and it's a split cast diagram, so it's not pi over 2 pi minus pi over 2 minus pi, C-A-S-T, tan is positive, so we're down here, and we're in this quadrant. So your two angles are the first one, 0.464, and the bottom one is minus pi minus 0.4636 to give you minus 2.68. And on this side, split interval again, and C-A-S-T, tan is positive, so we're in these two quadrants. So the first angle is tan is negative. It's from up there, so not pi over 2 pi, not minus pi over 2 minus pi, C-A-S-T, tan is negative, so it's these two quadrants you tick. So the first one is minus pi over 4, and the next quadrant is pi minus pi over 4, 3 pi over 4.